Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to enable two-factor authentication on CoinMarketCap account. Even if someone steals your password, 2FA or two-factor authentication ensures that only you can log into your account, protecting your crypto data and portfolio. So here's how you do it. First of all, launch open CoinMarketCap application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top right corner. Now from the expanded menu, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, go ahead and tap on the Google Authenticator option. Toggle on the button right next to Google Authenticator and then make sure to scan this QR code from your device and download and install the Google Authenticator app. Follow through the on-screen instruction and download and install Google Authenticator on your device. Here I'm just going to go open up Play Store and then search for Google Authenticator. Once you find the Google Authenticator application, this one over here, tap on Install. Once you've installed the Google Authenticator app, tap on Open and make sure to sign in with your Google account. Select your Google account or sign into your Google account, and once you do that, after you are inside this page, click on the plus button at the bottom right corner. Get back to the CoinMarketCap application and click Next. You'll be provided with a code. Copy that and paste it inside the Authenticator Setup Key option. Enter your key or paste it inside the Your Key tab. Now in the code name, you can type in CoinMarketCap or so according to your preference, and click on Add. Now after you do that, you will see the CoinMarketCap code generated at the very bottom. Simply select it to copy that to your clipboard and click Next on the CoinMarketCap application. You'll then need to enter the verification code. So click on Get Code and you'll receive a verification code sent to you via your email inbox associated with your CoinMarketCap account. Enter the code that you received via email and right where it says enter authentication code, you can get back to the Authenticator app and select the code to copy it under CoinMarketCap and paste it inside the verification code box in CoinMarketCap application. After you do that, click Next and your Google Authenticator or two-factor authentication has been set up. Now that way, you can easily turn on two-factor authentication on CoinMarketCap, and from now on, every login will require your password and the code from your Authenticator app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.